But the king does not come to the market. The week passes in this manner. When the court assembles after a week, the king asks the courtiers, "Well, how did you spend the gold coins given it to you?" Courtiers have no reply. The royal priest gets up from his seat. He says, "Your Majesty, we could not buy anything at all. How and where could we see your face in the market?" Then, pointing towards the bags of the gold coins that all the courtiers have brought back, the royal priest adds, "Since none of us could see your face in the market, we did not spend a single gold coin." The king looked at Tenali Rama. That day, Tenali Rama has come to the court wearing new clothes and ornaments. The king asks Tenali Rama, "What about you? Did you spend the gold coins?" Tenali Rama smiles and answers, "Your Majesty, look at this new dhoti, this silk kurta, this beautiful scarf, and these shining rings. I bought all these things with the gold coins given by you." The courtiers are surprised and happy. They think Tenali Rama did not see the king's face before buying anything. He has not fulfilled the condition laid down by the king. Tenali Rama is surely going to be punished today. Now answer orally. In the story, the courtiers were first thrilled, then puzzled, then surprised and happy. Why did this happen? In this story or in this paragraph, we can understand that a whole week has been passed in this manner, and then afterwards the courtiers has assembled after a week, and king has asked that whether have you spent the gold coins. Then some of the courtiers have told that, the priest also has told that, "Your Majesty, how can we spend the gold coins without seeing your face? We never ever has seen your face, so we haven't spent a single gold coin." Then the turn has came of Tenali Rama, and Tenali Rama has told that, "Your Majesty, you just see my dhoti, kurta and all. I have spent this gold coin, and see my silk kurta, beautiful scarf and all. See my shining ring." All were surprised and happy that how the Tenali Rama has spent the gold coin, and all were thinking that Tenali Rama has not fulfilled the king's condition, that while spending each and every gold coin, they have to see the king's face. So all were puzzled as well as surprised and happy, and all were thinking that now Tenali Rama is going to surely punished by the king today, because he has not fulfilled the king's condition. The king says, "Tenali Rama, you have not fulfilled the condition laid down by me. You did not see my face in the market, yet you dare to buy these things." In this paragraph, we can understand that king has told to the Tenali Rama that you have not fulfilled the condition which I have told to you. Then how you can see my face in the market? If I am not went for the market, how you dare to spend the things, to spend the gold coins. Then Tenali Rama says, Your Majesty, I have spent all the gold coins only after seeing your face. The king questions, How is that possible? Tenali Rama answers, Your Majesty, have you forgotten that every gold coin bears the picture of your face? Every time I spend a gold coin, I saw your face. In this manner, I fulfill the condition laid down by you. The king smiled at Tenali Rama. The courtiers do not know what to say. Wasn't Tenali Rama clever? Message: Nothing is impossible for a wise man. So in this paragraph we can understand that Tenali Rama said to the king that, Your Majesty, you were not in the market, but in each and every gold coin there is your face. So before I spent the gold coin, I was seeing your face on the gold coin and I have spent it. So like this, I have spent all the gold coin like this, and this was the most intelligent answer given by the Tenali Rama, and king was smiled. And finally the courtiers do not know what to say. So here we can see the Tenali Rama's cleverness. The moral of the story or message of the story is nothing is impossible for a wise man.